So finally, we can edit Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, and PDFs with AI. Claude's newest update brought this feature to us. This was a highly anticipated feature. So let's see it in action. Furthermore, with today, SC Courses Mujubi Tuner update, we now support WAN model training as well. Let me show you. If you want to train QWN models or WAN models, including all of them, C Courses Mujubi Tuner version 17 now supports this. Let me quickly show you the models. There will be a full tutorial and comprehensive research to identify the best parameters. Hopefully soon. But you can already start training WAN models on C Courses Mujubi Tuner. As you can see, we support all of these models, and I've included a demo training configuration file as well. It requires as low as 8.5 gigabytes of VRAM. However, this can be further reduced, which I will work on in the future. Hopefully, but currently, it is ready to use.